Funnels serve as a relationship builder and help establish credibility for your business by giving your leads a taste of what it's like to be your customer and retain them long term. Keep on watching as we discuss one type of sales funnel and find out if it's the right one for your business. This video is a part of the Sales Funnel Training Series by Technic Force, so make sure to subscribe to our channel for other videos on marketing and sales funnels that will definitely help boost your business. Before we begin, hit the thumbs up button and share this video to help us reach more people. Let's go. A membership funnel is a series of steps that a business uses to guide potential customers through the process of becoming members. The goal of a membership funnel is to convert prospects into paying members by providing them with valuable information and incentives at each stage of the process. This can involve offering free trials, providing educational content, and making special offers to encourage people to join the membership program. The specific steps in a membership funnel will vary depending on the business and the type of membership being offered, but common steps might include awareness. The first step in a membership funnel is to get people interested in the membership program. This can be done through marketing and advertising efforts or through word-of-mouth referrals. Interest. Once people are aware of the membership program, the next step is to generate interest in it. This can be done through content marketing, social media, or other tactics that provide valuable information about the benefits of becoming a member. Decision. At this stage, prospects are considering whether to join the membership program or not. To help them make a decision, businesses may offer free trials, discounts, or other incentives to encourage people to sign up. Action. Once a prospect has decided to join the membership program, the final step is to take action and complete the sign-up process. This might involve filling out a form, providing payment information, or completing other necessary steps to become a member. By guiding potential customers through each step of the membership funnel, businesses can effectively convert prospects into paying members and grow their membership base over time. Some businesses that use a membership sales funnel include fitness clubs, subscription box services, online courses, coaching and consulting services, health and wellness services, software companies, museums and attractions, book and wine clubs, community organizations, and professional associations. And that's it on what a membership funnel is. But before this video ends, do you want to build your successful online business without breaking a sweat? We have the right software for you. Introducing CloudFunnels. CloudFunnels is an all-in-one platform that can help you build unique funnels, landing pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. It is the easiest funnel builder with profit-boosting features you won't find anywhere else. CloudFunnels boasts of its easy-to-use drag-and-drop designer. No complex DNS setup required. No hosting hassles. Save time with 30+ ready-made templates. And make free and paid memberships. You do not require any coding knowledge to use this platform, making it a win over its competitors because it is cost-effective and effortless to use. Integrates with all the major CRMs and autoresponders, and offers many free plugins which will make your work easier and smoother. In short, CloudFunnels is all you need to set up your dream site. Make CloudFunnels your business assistant today. Go to yournextfunnel.in and take advantage of its awesome features. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss anything from us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.